Welcome to BioTrack Training. In this module we're going to take a look at the accounts reports that are available to you. There are a lot of reports, so we're not going to go through them all here, but just to give you an indication of how this works. If you do monthly or quarterly or annual returns, you need to actually produce two reports, which are your purchase VAT declaration and your sales VAT breakdown. These are the statutory things that you have to do. In some environments you only need to do this once a year. In other environments you may need to do it every month. These are on-screen reports and they can be downloaded like all reports. Here you can download them as a CSV, so you can download them to a spreadsheet and you can submit these to your accountant. They give the net value, the percentage VAT, the VAT amount, whether it's low, medium or high, whether it's an export or not, etc. And the same thing goes for sales. You can also do stock reports showing your current stock valuations, finished product prices. This allows you to produce a finished product price list. Here you can decide whether a particular product gets added to the printed report. And here you can print a price list for all your products, which you can send out to your wholesalers or retailers. So in this case, cooperative prices for the sales to the public and local authorities, retailers, wholesale. You can do the same thing if you resell products not from your own production. You can produce a report of the resale products you have. And then finally you've got the accounts dashboard, which is a useful way of looking at your overall financial situation. It's useful because you get an immediate impression of what your financial position is. These are your sales by month. These are your purchases by month. The blue line being total purchases, the red line being raw materials. Here it calculates your gross profit by month. And here it shows your production in kilos. It's a rough measure of production. Here it shows your overhead costs by month, and here your net profit and loss. Here a profit, here a loss, here a profit, and here a loss, break even. And this is a breakdown of your overhead costs. Useful because you can see what part of your expenditure is going into which overheads. Obviously the largest one here, this pale green one, is a labour cost. The cost of employing labour. This shows you the amount of raw materials that you've purchased and injected into your raw material stocks, and this shows you the amount of raw materials that you've taken out of stock. It's a good indication of stock movement. So that's the accounts dashboard. Useful because it shows when and where the activity is taking place and whether you're actually making any money. There's a lot more in here, including all the statutory declarations that you need to make, price lists, and sales reports, and that's it basically.